In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, capturing images of your charts can be incredibly useful for record keeping, analysis, or sharing insights with others. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by navigating to your chart in TradingView. This can be your current workspace or any chart you're analyzing that you want to save an image of. Make sure everything you want in your screenshot is visible. Take this moment to adjust the zoom level or the specific time frame so all critical information is included in the view. Setting up your chart clearly not only helps when reviewing later, but also improves the image quality and clarity. Once your chart is ready, look towards the upper right side of the interface. You'll find a camera icon strategically placed above your chart. This is the tool you'll use for taking screenshots. The icon is designed to be easily accessible so you can capture images efficiently without navigating away or fumbling through menus. Hover your cursor over this icon. It should have a tooltip indicating its function if you're unsure. Clicking on the camera icon initiates the screenshot process. Once clicked, you'll notice that TradingView brings up the Chart Snapshot interface. This is where you have a few useful options to choose from depending on your needs. You can save the image directly to your device if you want an offline copy, or if you prefer, you could use the web link option to generate a shareable link. This link can be incredibly handy if you need to share your chart quickly via email or on social media platforms for networking or discussion purposes. Additionally, there's an embedding option that allows you to include the chart directly into a web page, which can be particularly valuable if you're running a blog or sharing insights on a trading forum. After selecting your preferred option, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. If you choose to save the image, ensure the file is stored in a location that's easy to find later for quick access. And that's it! You've successfully taken a screenshot of your TradingView chart. With this simple tool, capturing your analysis or insights is a breeze, and with just a few clicks, you can share your findings with the trading community or keep them as part of your personal trading records. Practicing this skill can help enhance your trading strategies and provide valuable visual data over time. Thanks for watching and happy trading.